Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a review on the Wise card. We're going to be talking about pros and cons of the Wise debit card. Using your traditional debit card for international purchases and travel can be convenient, but it also comes with the expensive hidden fees. Luckily, a lot of the finance kind of companies are providing specialized debit cards made for cost-effective spending abroad. And one of the most popular ones is the Wise Debit MasterCard. It's a multi-currency card that enables cheap, worldwide spending and ATM access. The Wise Debit MasterCard is a multi-currency card linked to your Wise account, which functions similar to a bank account. If you're not familiar with a Wise account and what it can offer, you can hold funds in 55 plus currencies, receive and send money domestically and globally, get local bank details in 10 currencies, exchange currency at low cost, and spend on the Wise debit card. So essentially, it provides affordable currency exchange along with the debit card spending anywhere MasterCard is accepted. You can use Wise to receive salary or other income, pay bills and mortgages without costly currency conversion fees, access and spend funds abroad like a local. The Wise card and application work seamlessly together to facilitate cheap international money management and spending. Now, to take a closer look at the valuable benefits that this card offers for travelers and global citizens, we have the low currency conversion fees, as Wise uses the mid-market exchange rate with minimal markup for currency conversions in the application. This is far cheaper than the traditional bank rates. You can convert money instantly at this fair exchange rate. You also have no foreign transaction fees, as the Wise card charges no international transaction fees on purchases or the ATM withdrawals in foreign currencies that are held in your account. This saves enormously compared to cards charging 3% plus the foreign fees. You also get access to virtual and disposable cards, as Wise offers virtual cards and the ability to burn the card details after single uses. This is ideal for security and online trial limitations. You will have 2 free ATM withdrawals per month, as Wise allows for up to 2 free ATM withdrawals per month when traveling up to £200, which is huge for easy cash access. It also works anywhere MasterCard is accepted. Being a MasterCard itself, the Wise card works for in-store, online, phone or ATM transactions anywhere that MasterCard is taken. The automatic conversion at perfect times, as you can set rate alerts, so Wise will exchange currencies automatically when rates hit your ideal price instead of the current ones. And there is no required minimum account balance to open, maintain or use your Wise card and account. Many banks require high balances. While the Wise card has many benefits, there are some limitations to keep in mind, such as the no credit one, as the Wise card is a debit card, so no credit or lending facilities. You must preload funds to spend. And you cannot deposit physical cash into the Wise account. Transfers must come from other accounts or payment sources digitally. If you're spending in a currency that you don't hold in your Wise account, it could be subject to 3% fee applies. Keeping multiple currencies avoids this. It's also not available in every single country, as Wise debit cards cannot be obtained in every country currently. However, as of right now, it's available in 50 plus countries and you can check if your country is within them. Also, you have the 1 physical and 2 virtual cards maximum. You only get 1 physical plastic card and add up to 2 virtual cards per account. Some fintechs offer more. And while this is very useful in many situations, the Wise card does have some limitations depending on your needs, but for most of the features it competes very favorably with old school bank offerings. Wise card fees, pricing and the exchange rates. One of the most appealing parts of Wise is the transparent, low fee pricing structure, and here is an overview of the costs. You can take a look at the fees right here, but as you can note, opening your Wise multi-currency account is free. And business customers can open an account for free or pay $31 for full feature access. Also, it's free to hold 50 plus currencies, get local bank details for 10 currencies, and so many other features at very minimum cost. So the very low forex fees plus the lack of monthly or foreign transaction fees make Wise cost effective for international usage. Exchange rates are always mid-market or better as well, beating bank rates, and pricing is transparent upfront. So after looking at the major benefits and the limitations, especially around the affordable currency exchange and international usage, the Wise card is best suited for travelers. So frequent travelers who visit multiple countries will save enormously on currency conversion fees and the card foreign transaction fees. International students as well, as exchange tuition fees or living expenses, receive money from home and access cash without paying huge bank fees. Remote workers as well, as they get paid by overseas clients directly into your Wise account, exchange it to your home currency cheaply and withdraw funds anywhere. Friends and family additionally across the borders, as you can send money overseas to family or friends for cheap and empower them to exchange and spend it with the Wise card locally. So the bottom line is that the Wise multi-currency debit MasterCard enables convenient access to your funds worldwide and frictionless foreign transactions. And while it is not fit for everyone and for every single use, it powers seamless overseas spending and money management for those living, working or traveling abroad. So if you're tired of the banking fees eating away at your international money movements, then the Wise card is an innovative option worth considering. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we create similar to this one.